just wanted to show some of the secrets we've learned after rebuilding, I don't know, a couple thousand carbs now, and this is what our new kit is pretty much set up as. After rebuilding a 15-year-old carb, pretty much ends up like this, even a little bit nicer sometimes. So this is just a few things we sell. Let's start off with these little gasket kits. They're pretty simple. They're like 60 bucks, and what it is your throttle slide. And what that is right here on the back of your throttle slide. We actually saw them with the O-ring already installed, but that's probably our most important one we sell. That comes with your float bowl gasket right here with the full float bowl. You got your 3 inlet O-rings, which are right here. This guy. Those are always leaking, but all you need to do is replace 3 O-rings. You don't have to actually replace the whole inlet, which is kind of nice sometimes. Then we got your float bowl ring. Those leak a lot. We sell those with the float bowl nuts for like $15, so they're pretty cheap. And then these Accelerator pump diaphragms. If it's having a bog off the bottom, I bet you this thing is worn out. I bet say about 50% of the time worn out. So that's an easy way to help. But yeah, these gasket kits are actually really helpful because if you replace all this stuff, especially with this throttle slide valve, it can actually add more power from just putting these few little components in there. And then obviously it won't leak, which is nice. Here's a cool little upgrade too. These idle adjust knobs. These are big plastic knobs. These are straight from Japan, Keihin, no Chinese stuff here. And this is actually just bolts up to any of these, and this one has it installed. It's just easier to get to. Hondas have kind of like a metal one. They're kind of hard on your hands, and these are just nicer. It's a little tiny thing. But yeah, these are probably the most important. These things get worn out all the time, and you're gonna get more power if you replace this. Some companies, even like Yamaha, is like $200 for these. We sell them for 89 bucks. So that's brand new, and that comes with the O-ring, which is nice because they're kind of a pain to install. Fuel air screws, pretty standard, but you know, they come with all the O-rings and spring in case you lost them. These are really important, these hot start plugs. If these are missing from your bike, it will pop immensely. So it's good to make sure you keep these like that. We actually make a titanium plug that just blocks that all off if you don't plan on using it too, which is nice. Better bottom Allen nuts for the bottom of your carb right here. This right here at the bottom. So all these 7 bolts will be replaced with just a tad longer and an easier Allen right here, just which is nice and easy to get to. So the throttle covers, we always have all this stuff in stock. Complete flow bowls ready to rock, which is nice. These are brand new, all Keihin, so no aftermarkets. Billet adapters like such for maybe like your DRZ or any kind of enduro you're trying to add a FCR MX to. We have all that. We even have TPS sensors, all sorts of fun stuff. So kind of just drop us a line, we can definitely help you out. And then here's our accelerator pump upgrade. That's straight from Japan. This isn't like a Boysen or R&D, which are good companies, but this is a full kit. And if you use this is pretty much the best version of an accelerator pump you can possibly do. It is hands down shooting more fuel into the motor at all times when you're twisting the throttle. So we really like this kit just because the immenseness of actual fluid that's being pushed. It shoots probably 6 to 8 feet when you use this kit. It eliminates the whole stock linkage and just replaces it with just a straight like squirt gun effect. So. Also, 2 other things that we sell that's kind of hard to find, and we have a ton of it, is we have pretty much every TPS sensor from all the brands, Honda, KTM, you know, all the Japan, Austrian, Husqvarna brands. So any of that, we do have brand new TPSs, and sometimes used at about half the price if you do need it. And then the pink hose that everybody likes, we do have that. We do have the black hose too, which is nice. It lasts a little bit longer, but it's about double the price. It's really expensive. But this stuff, we do sell enough to build 2 carbs for, I think it's right around 50 bucks. So it's worth it because people do look at that when they go to buy a bike. And honestly, it does look nice and clean once you have it on the bike. It looks brand new again. So one more thing I wanted to add as well was these chokes. This is a short throw choke, just has a smaller knob, so if you want to fit into applications that are tight, it just is easier to get to and doesn't hit your petcock or you know, parts of your gas tank or whatnot. So these are a good option. They're pretty cheap. They're under 40 bucks, brand new from Keihin. We have those all the time. And then the reason why people replace float bowls is this actual brass pickup is usually cracked here at the base. So they have issues with getting the right amount of fuel. And then obviously there's these things get broken off too from misuse. But yeah, that's the main reason why people replace these. So it might be one of your issues if your carb's not running correctly. That could be it. It's more common than you think. And let's see, these actual rollers, if they are, you know, off a really dirty bike and they get stuck, they can get messed up pretty easy. They're if you get dirt in there and it starts to grind a line or something, it's just not going to run the same. These are pretty expensive. They're almost 200 bucks. So at this point, if you got to replace one of these and do everything else, personally, I would just go buy a new carb from us so we can just help you out and get it done right the first time. But if you do want to fix it, we do have these in stock, and these are kind of usually on back order, so it's kind of nice that we have these. We have pretty much every single spring you can imagine and any other part for these carbs, because we are rebuilding a good 50 to 100 a month, so we need to keep all this stuff in stock. So anything you need, or if you have any questions, definitely write us a comment. Thanks so much.